April 6th, 2021. My name is Eric Haluzik with All Corners Home Inspections. This is the roof evaluation for the single-family home and attached hangar here in Independence, Oregon. As with all the videos in this report, we would request that you view this video as supplemental to the written version of the report to which this video has been attached. An Oregon home inspection does not include a roof warranty, meaning we make no claims as to this roof's ability to keep water out of the ceiling voids and attic spaces for the living space below. There are companies, typically insurance companies, which will offer such insurance policies. Oregon home inspectors are specifically forbidden by the Oregon Construction Contractors Board from making such claims. At the time of inspection, there were a number of reportable challenges with this single-family home's gable and hip-style roof that will lead us to the conclusion that we should have a licensed roofing contractor, at least one, evaluate and bid repairs for some of the more significant challenges approaching and affecting this roof. First challenge that we'll note is at a variety of locations around the roof line, we're actually seeing accelerated granular loss. The granular material on a 3-tab or architectural style roofing such as this is here primarily for the UV protection. However, it's also there for UV resistance, and the areas underneath this material, the felt, the tar, fiberglass, etc., have no inherent UV characteristics and quickly over time turn very thin and brittle and start to depart the roof line. We're actually seeing loose shingles at the first course of shingle material here at the front portion of the hangar, with raised areas and depressed areas of the sheathing midline up at the front portion, and as well as quite a few areas of loose shingles 2/3 of the way up, probably 20 courses down from the short ridge. At the right-hand side of this roof line, we'll make note of the fact that we have, here's an example of that fairly thin condition and loose shingle. At the far right-hand side, you can see an example of a penetrated or a fastener which is protruding through the surface of the roofing material. As we work our way up to the front of the roof line, we'll make note of a multitude of areas with exposed fiberglass. The fiberglass is what provides sort of shear strength for a 3-tab or architectural style roof. Well, historically 3-tab, now architectural style. The sort of shinier areas here that you can see here are the fiberglass fibers, and once those are exposed, we generally recommend those areas be replaced. Again, we recommended a licensed roofing contractor evaluate this roof line to determine what sort of conditions might need to be addressed in the short term. This has been Eric Haluzik with All Corners Home Inspections.